What is up, guys? We are back. It's been a while since we've done a video. For us, it's been about a month since we filmed a video. With that being said, today we got a sponsored video. This one will actually be for the 350Z. We got another sponsored stereo, and this one's from a Toto. It's made in China. Like everything that's good is made in China. We're gonna go ahead and install this to the 350Z. This one does come with a backup camera. Somewhere over here I have it. I want to give a special thanks to a Toto for giving us this for the 350Z. You can find this on Amazon in their store. The link to that will be down in the description below. Go check them out, pick one up for yourself. This one I think goes for about $250. It's a 2018 model. It's Android 7.1, I believe. The link to this will be down in the description below. Go ahead, check them out. And my brother and I are actually going to be installing this.
Getting my way. Alright, so we already took off everything off camera.
So as you can see, my brother already got started with this. And we're going to go ahead and see if we can install this. It looks like it might just be plug and play. Hopefully the stereo has connections, but let's go ahead and do an unboxing of the stereo and show you guys what it comes with. So this is what you get when you order one of these, if you guys are curious. That's all that's in the box. The only downfall with this one compared to the one that we did install on my dad's truck, no hard feelings to the brand, but this one has the brand right here, which kind of sucks, you know. I like to keep things clean with no brand. If it's like a cheap one like this one could possibly be, we haven't really tried it out yet, I would really prefer with no brand. But this is how it looks right here.
I'll just wrap it.
You got your buttons, you got a USB port, an aux, an SD card, and pretty much the rest. All the other things, this is touchscreen. And when you move over to the back, here goes the connections, which this is the power in that, and USB and all of this other stuff. So we'll have to see if we can get this installed. So it does come from Amazon directly. I think they're just drop shipping. Amazon drop ships for them. This is the backup camera. I'm not too sure how good it is, but this goes on the license plate. Okay, this is probably the one we're gonna end up using. They give you a wiring harness. They give you the GPS antenna. I'm not sure if my brother's gonna install that. They give you another radio antenna, the mounting bracket, a microphone in case you want to use Bluetooth and your phone with it, and a USB port that you can route anywhere else in your car if you're that DIY person that you can build a USB port in another section of your car. We're going to move on to the install. We're going to try to fiddle with this wiring stuff and see how we can actually get this down so we can get this rolling and hopefully turn it on and all the speakers work. So it's been about 2 hours. We've been online looking for wiring harness diagrams for the 350Z. This one has the Bose sound system, so we can't find anything on it, which kind of sucks. So we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. We're gonna chop off the wires and we're just gonna send it. Alright. Yeah, you're recording? The battery's disconnected?
Yes.
That's a good first step. Where's the other harness at? If it doesn't turn on, I give up because that's the best I can do.
So my brother said if it doesn't turn on, he's gonna give up.
Alright, so we're gonna connect it. We got the ignition key on and the constant ground on.
Oh.
The battery is connected again, and we're just gonna connect this and turn on the car. Not fully, just to see if it turns on. I just turn key.
Yeah, it's not gonna turn on. That's because it's not connected.
Huh?
The thing's not connected, that's why.
What?
The thing's not connected. That's why it just goes randomly. So I guess we're giving up. That's gonna be in these videos. Bye guys. Alright, so we're back with that other video. That car's different, everything.
Exactly.
This is what we got. Y'all remember when Josue cut all these wires? We could have just bought a little connector that could have gone to this instead of cutting them. We found out after we cut them, so I already have spliced them all. The battery's disconnected. We're not going to use all of them, but there's like 24 wires here. We're only going to use like 16 to reconnect, and I'll show y'all inside what we got. So we got the old ones right here. I found them, so this is what we're gonna do. I was able to get a very cheap single DIN, since the one we had was burnt. I have this single DIN that I found from a group G Atlanta again. This is just the faceplate. The thing's over there in the box over there. But I got this. So hopefully we can get this thing done quick, since I have the old wires. I already know which is what, which will probably make this kind of easy, hopefully. But I'll get back to y'all when we get all these connectors on these replacement cables. So this is what we got. It's been a while. Like I told y'all, we're gonna put these connections on them. It took me a little bit longer because when we did cut them off, so this was easy to connect because I just had to put the same colors from here, from this one, onto this. But this is pretty much our mistake. I'm gonna clean this up in a little bit, but hopefully these wires work. Some of the wires I have to flip around from the picture, but I grounded it right here. Hopefully this works, this ground works. Alright, we got that connected now. Alright, moment of truth. Okay. Key in the ignition. It should start on when we put on accessory mode, so. Oh, okay, bet. Starting up. Okay. I hear the back working. I don't have an antenna, but I don't think this is gonna work. Let me see if I can.
Snappy happy uniforms. What if anything you wish was gone? Gone! We're really good at this. All you have to do.
Okay. Actually, no, they're working. They're not as loud as the back ones, but they are working. At least this one's working. Let's check the other one. I can hear it. I'm gonna put my ear again so I can hear it. So it's actually working. Alright, so it all seems to be working. That speaker's working, which I don't know if that should be working or not. Since we don't have that subwoofer connected anyway. I guess whatever I did, I don't know if it used to work. Well, it does used to work. I never had a working stereo in here when I bought the car. I mean, I have an antenna, so I couldn't use it. I'm gonna switch it, and that's why then now I have sound for the first time. This is the first time hearing whatever's coming out of the speakers. So pretty much all the speakers are working, which we're getting some good sound from there. So I don't know if I need to do the whole Bose thing. I don't know what's the difference since that thing is working. Alright, this is what we got. We put this thing back on. We fitted the dash back on. Well, this thing. It looks kind of, fitment's okay. New shifter is coming, probably new shift boot because this is the old shift boot. I still gotta put the door back on. I might have to fix this because it's, as you can see, it's fucking broken. Alright guys, well that's probably gonna be the end of this video.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they